Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Matt here again from FilterGrade, and today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about how to change your image quality and sizing settings on the Nikon D750. This is a question I've gotten asked a few times in the past, and it's really helpful to know how to do it so that once you get on set or once you go out in the field with your camera, you know exactly what size media you're shooting at and how to change it if you want to get it into a new setting. There's a few different options between RAW and JPEG, and within those two there's also sub file sizes and file options that you can choose through. Some even allow you to shoot both NEF, which is the raw Nikon format, and JPEG file format in the same time, so you get both of them. That way it's a little bit easier to preview your images with the JPEG file, and then you still have the high quality editing abilities with the NEF raw file if you want to. But let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll show you how to find and change the file settings in your Nikon D750. Alright, so now that we're all set up with the camera, you're going to want to go ahead and first start by turning the camera on, and then you're going to click Menu. Once you get into Menu, then you're going to see all these different options, and on the left side you'll see this is where the photo tab is. This one is for movie shooting. This one is just custom settings, and there's a whole lot of different options to play around with here, but you're going to want to go into the photo shooting menu, then select to the right, click on image quality right here, and go ahead and click on that, and then you'll see a list of different options for what exactly you want to be shooting in. This is what I was talking about before. If you want to shoot in RAW mode and really fine JPEG mode, you can do it at the same time so that you get both file formats. Or if you want to break it down, you can shoot individually in RAW, you can shoot in JPEG fine, JPEG normal, or JPEG basic, or you can even do JPEG normal with RAW or JPEG basic with RAW. Right now I've just been shooting with RAW files. This is normally what I do for client projects, and it just provides better editing, and I don't also have to have the JPEG. But if you need both, it's very simple. If you want to change it up to here, just click on NEF RAW and JPEG, and you get both file formats, which is really great. And if you just want to shoot in JPEG, you can click any of these ones as well. So really it just depends on what you're going to be shooting, and if you need the RAW capabilities for when you go into post-production. But that's more up to you and up to whichever project you're working on. But for me, I usually just like to shoot in normal RAW quality. That way when I do get into post-production, I can always do different styles of editing and really push my images to the maximum extent. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. But I hope this tutorial helped out, and thanks so much, guys. Have a good day.